Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. I hope you're all well. Lovely to see you all. I've got some breaking news here, which I'm going to cover once we get everybody in. This sort of stuff I'm going to stamp on from a great height and expose it for what it is, and it's not going to be around for much longer. So we're going to take action this afternoon. I do not like this sort of stuff. And I'm going to do everything I can to squash it. Okay, so we'll be covering and making a video in the next few minutes on an NVIDIA story I've just been made aware of. Before I do, Frederick, Martin, for your information, my username is Frederick Invest. Okay, I've been looking for you this afternoon, Frederick. I've been looking for you. Are you still here? Frederick, okay, I've been looking for you. Are you here? I will deal with this NVIDIA nonsense in a moment. Just please bear with me as I just take care of one of our members. Remember, we're all about the members, the investors, the real people, not selling videos, not doing any of that, okay? So let me just go over now to Discord and take care of one of our members. Just bear with me a second. That's what this channel is about. I'm sure you all understand that. All right, let me go to members and search just for a moment. There he is. Okay, let me upgrade your account. Frederick, same name on here. Yes, it is. Yep. Roles, let me give you a role of YouTube member. Let me do that now. Great, that's now done. I believe you sent me a friend request, incoming friend request. There it is. Let me accept that. Okay, Frederick, and we're all done. I will be back with you in a second for NVIDIA. I just do not like this sort of stuff at all. Okay, Frederick, you're all done. Taking care of Frederick. Anna, we took care of Anna earlier as well. That's all dealt with. Okay. I think we are now done. Okay, Frederick, you're all taken care of. Fantastic. Let me just clear that out of there. And you are now, you've got all the perks and benefits that you are entitled to, which is everything. All right? If you're a member of the channel, you get everything. Okay. Let me, when I get everybody in, I'm going to make a video taking us up to earnings. I really get angry with stuff like this. Really drives me up the bloody wall. Just stand by a second. We're just waiting for everyone to get here. Right. Okay. Let me bring this up. Okay. Let me bring this up here. Okay. Absolute bloody nonsense. Let's have a look here. Let's have a look here. Okay. Right. Okay. There we go. Are we ready? Is everybody buckled up? We're going to get, a call for action now. Investors. We're not going to deal with it. We're not going to put up with this stuff anymore. So, you ready? Okay, let's get straight into it. NVIDIA. Fake news. Let's call that 5 minutes. All right. Okay. Let me take you to this here. NVIDIA. NVDA. NVIDIA. Okay. NVIDIA, breaking news, a call for action. We're not going to put up with this anymore. I hope you'll all join me, become one of the Lucasades and take action. This sort of stuff is not welcome. It's not welcome online. Unfortunately, we live in a world of fakery, greed, self-promotion. Look at me, I'm great. I can manipulate people. I can make money for myself. And I get really angry with stuff like that. And I don't like it. And I stamp on it. And it's why I go live 12 hours a day to debunk all of this sort of stuff, build an army, a global army, and really take action. So I want all of you now to join me, the Lucasade, to join me, because my aim and the reason why I started to do this channel was to be the most honest, live, real channel on earth, to help people raise millions for our charities, go live every day, answer every question, deal with every troll, face everything head on. I make videos out of my live shows, but I'm always live. I do things differently. It took me 2 years to put this studio together the way it is today, so I'm able to create my videos live as I do them, unedited. I have no team of people behind me. I have no army of editors and thumbnail creators and all the rest of it. I do it all live, and I built the system that builds the system. A bit like Elon Musk, if you like, the way he built the factories that build the factories, all right? Kind of same principle. But I'm trying to be, and I am trying, my aim is to be the most honest channel on YouTube TV and expose everything that is fake, lies, nonsense, and all the rest of it. And one by one, we're going to get rid of all of these type of channels. Now, let me just qualify before I show you what I'm talking about, fake news and information now around NVIDIA and what I'm in the process of doing. I'm in the process of setting up Jetson to be on the CEO of NVIDIA on the show. I'll explain to you how we can get him on the show in a moment. There's an action plan for that. So please bear with me for a few moments. But we cannot allow this to stand. Please understand, for those of you who don't know who I am, I left home at 16. I went into musicals and shows. I performed as the World Piano Man. I've won the title of World Piano Man. I've had my own Vegas show, West End show. I've toured all over the world. I played at Jerry Jones's Halloween party, the owner of the Cowboys, Mark Cuban's house. I've done royal events. I've done these things and faced people in person. I did not get famous on YouTube. I don't even regard YouTube as a source of fame at all. If people travel to your live concerts and across the world or across the country and sit in front of you in a concert hall, that's real. We know that because there was a girl on TikTok who had millions of followers. She hired a venue, remember the story, and no one turned up, okay? Very, very different than what we're doing here. We're doing this for real people, and I understand real people. This is not about selling videos. And I've just come across something which really, really annoys me, and I'm going to stamp on it right now because if I want to carry on with what I'm doing, Meet the CEO series, if you've not seen the show before, you know I interview CEOs. I've got friends at Wall Street. I've got friends all over the place. And they come on my show because they want an open discussion that isn't biased, that isn't promoting stock. I don't even own the stock. I only own the S&P. I'm fully invested, all of my money. And because of all of that, we have to not only be honest, but seen to be honest, but also seen to be stopping this sort of rubbish that goes on. I can't stand it. Every 5 minutes, Meet Kevin is saying the end of the world's coming, World War III, 60% crash, doom and gloom, just to sell videos. Now we've got this. Okay, so I'm going to share with you some absolute rubbish now. I don't even know what the point of this is and what the point of this human being behind this is. Why this person even exists other than I can make money. Well, I'm going to stop it right now. And trust me, I'm going to stop it right now because this is not right. And it's confusing investors, losing people money, sending people into shorting stocks, which I'd never done. And yet I've managed to make myself 104,000 from 5,000 without shorting stocks, without doing options. It's spreading fear, and it's not even using your own voice by the sound of things. It's using AI. What am I talking about? I'm talking about this. I've just noticed this YouTube channel here. It's called NVIDIA Latest News. It's got 68,000 subscribers with just 171 videos, which is pretty incredible. I've done, I think, like 5,000 videos and millions of live hours. But anyway, a lot of it could be fakery, and you can buy views, you could buy subscribers. Many people do that to promote themselves and make themselves look more important than they actually are. And it may be the case here looking at the analytics, but let's assume 68,000 subscribers. And if you notice that every video is the same thing, the collapse has begun. We are... Well, we don't want to use that language. We don't use that language. We've got better words that we can use because we have an education. NVIDIA holders, this is the end game. Big and massive NVIDIA news. Wake up, 100x is coming. Oh, hello, 100x. So we've gone from doom and gloom to 100x. That makes a lot of sense. I'm going all in NVIDIA. It's a fake crash. NVIDIA won't make it to 2025. We've got all this nonsense and all the rest of it over here. And I just looked at a video which just came out a few moments ago as I came off the phone call from the investor relations with NVIDIA, lining up an interview with the CEO, Jetson here, I hope to have on the show. And I was presented with this video. Now, I can't actually play the audio because there'll be copyright. This is the same channel I was just showing you. And basically, it's just gone live a few moments ago, in fact, 3 hours ago now. This video came out using footage from a few weeks ago saying that NVIDIA is going to crash and it's all selling off. It was basically, and also they're trying to sell you something as well. Buy yourself an NVIDIA keychain, all right, on eBay or Amazon, whatever. A lot of B-roll, not their own voice, using AI to create a video. A lot of this was AI created. A lot of flipping rubbish, making up all sorts of stuff. And I've got people watching this saying to me, Martyn, I thought NVIDIA was going to $200. There's a website, there's a YouTube channel here with 68,000 subscribers, which is all about NVIDIA. Apparently, it's called NVIDIA News, and it seems to be showing the charts of everything going down. The fact of the matter is, all this footage was used months ago. A lot of this is B-roll, AI created. I never use any AI in my shows. I create my own videos, and I always go live. I even employ my own models to make my own music videos, by the way. Anyway, all of this is fake. All this information is nonsense, rubbish, and completely really bad timing. It was literally posted 4 hours ago as if it was today. And all of this is completely and utterly out-of-date information around NVIDIA. So I just wanted to bring this on and expose this sort of stuff. It's called NVIDIA Latest News. 68,000 subscribers. Everything is about doom and gloom until it's about over-the-top, exaggerated nonsense. AI created footage. AI created audio just to earn somebody some money. So what are we going to do about that? Well, it's up to you what you do about it, but I'm going to make sure that everyone knows that that is a very greedy, selfish individual trying to just make money for themselves, a bit like Meet Kevin, constantly lying to people to try to sell videos. So that's what's going on this afternoon, just as we have ranked #1 in the world for NVIDIA. It probably gets on this person's nerves a little bit. The fact they're called NVIDIA Latest News and I rank #1 and they've got 68,000 subscribers and I've only been doing NVIDIA for about a week. It's because I'm live all the time and I work harder than everyone and I show you my real trades, my real money, and it's really me sitting here live every day. And remember, I don't make money from live videos, I make it from videos. Live streams are just to serve my members. Okay, let's have a look. What else have I got? What was I going to say? I've got a question just coming, MSK, and I'm going to answer that in a second. Just please bear with me. What was I going to say? I completely forgot my train of thought now. Doesn't matter. It'll come back to me in a second. I might need to edit this part of the video out. I forget what I was going to say. I looked at MSK's question and it threw me. What was I going to say? Yes. So I was just speaking with investor relations a few moments ago before I came on air about doing an NVIDIA interview with Jetson, the CEO. So if you would like, and this is what we're going to do, this is how it works. Such a big company and such, I mean, it's the biggest company in the world, arguably, with Apple. It's very difficult to get CEO interviews from the scale, the size of my channel right now. I am hoping to interview Elon Musk in the future as well, but it's very difficult right now with just 30-something thousand subscribers. However, I would like you to help me because we need to expose all of the rubbish. We need to get rid of all these fake accounts, all of these people that never go live and make false information, because it doesn't help investors make money, and it constantly damages things and gets people to short stocks and fear and sell out and all the rest of it. So I would like to have Jetson on the show, that the CEO of NVIDIA. So how are we going to do that? Well, if you go to NVIDIA's website, the investor relations, and I want everyone to do it, not just one of you, everyone, all the Lucasades I know will do it. So please become one of the Lucasades. Email investor relations. And if everyone here does it, if we get about 100 people do it, we'll have the CEO live on the show. Simple as that. All you've got to do is this: email investor relations and say, Martyn Lucas from Martyn Lucas Investor does a Meet the CEO series. I've interviewed about 6 or 7 CEOs so far, and I've got more planned for the future. I am an investor of, say from yourself, I am an investor in NVIDIA, and I would like to hear from the CEO or investor relations live in an unedited, unscripted interview that Martyn Lucas does. Would love to have you on the show and learn more about NVIDIA directly from the people that work and run the company, rather than all this stupid stuff from these stupid, sad YouTubers. I hate it. I bloody hate it. I use YouTube as a TV broadcast platform, not as a way to make myself some money. It's not what I do. So please email them, and you do it. You know, build a relationship, and you can tag me in if you want to. Martyn@martynlucas.com. My email is everywhere below this video, on the website, in the information, whatever. Tag me in if you want to. And when you've got a relationship with them, they're talking to you, and they've looked at my videos and they're interested, then then at that point, they'll message me or whatever, and I can get them on the show. I think it'd be fantastic, and I'd like to get them on the show so we can hear directly from them and we can build a relationship with NVIDIA. I've got CEOs from many other companies, but not NVIDIA yet, and we hope to do that. So please take action in doing that, and that would be absolutely fantastic. All right. Now, just before I end this video, because I always answer all the questions, I don't want to miss anything out that might confuse anybody. So during that, I did have a comment from one of my members, and he said, Martyn, stop saying you've been on live for millions of hours. LOL, 1,000,000 hours is over 100 years. Say hundreds of thousands next time. Hang on a minute. Okay, so that's what you... and this is one of my friends, by the way. But it's important that I always qualify what I say. So I'm going to do this live. Just please bear with me. Very, very important. Let's have a look. Hang on a minute. Just bear with me just a second. I'm making this during a live video. So let me just bring this up here. Hang on a minute. Bear with me. Take me a second, but I'm going to do it live because it's very, very important. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. And... here we go. I want to make sure that we answer all these questions. Okay. Okay, here we go. Okay. This is what I meant to say and what I was getting at. Hang on a minute. Let me share this. Okay. Here we go. This is what I wanted to share. And sorry if I confused anybody. It's important for me to always validate and qualify what I say. It's important to me. So I said that, guys, 171 videos and 68,000, whatever it was, subscribers. So I think a lot of it is fake. But anyway, I've done 5.9 thousand videos. 5.9, nearly 6,000 videos. That's just my videos, not my live streams, okay? That's the first thing I wanted to share with you. But I also said about millions of hours, millions of views, and I wanted to share that with you, so just bear with me. Here we go. Now, bearing in mind, I've only started growing, sort of going viral, if you like, in the last, week? That's all with my NVIDIA videos. And here is my views. Just want to share with you. The hours I do, look, 3.2 million views, and 90% of that is probably in the last week. So that does qualify what I'm talking about. Sorry if I confuse anyone at all, but that's very, very important. So it's really important for me to always get on top of all this stuff. I hope everyone now takes part in what I've said. Email investor relations. And let's see if we can get the CEO of NVIDIA on the show. I've told you how to do it. Hopefully, you'll all take part. Just as I close out this video, today I was able to do an amazing deal for all of my viewers. It's something I've just been able to do only in the last few hours. So just bear with me as I drag this up to here. I mean, this literally is just been done. Some of you have heard, I'm sure you've heard of Seeking Alpha, one of the most famous, of course, known. Let me put that there. Will that work there? Yes, it will. One of the most famous platforms, of course. Where's it all gone? Bear in mind, for doing your stock research and all the rest of it. And I've just been able to get this deal for everybody. And I'm told that this is as good as it gets. No one's got better than this. I'm going to put in the chat, and I'm also going to post it below in this video, because this is actually going to be a video as well. I've got this for you. Just come out, only got it today. If you want Seeking Alpha, you don't get a trial apparently, and you don't get $25 off. Well, with me, you do, as of today. So if you'd like that, this is Seeking Alpha. You get $25 off, and you get a free trial as well. I've just negotiated the best deal apparently is available, that no one could get better than that. Otherwise, I said I wouldn't do it. And the guy said, really? I went, yeah. Yeah, that's just how I do it on my show, right? I must have the best deal. So if you want Seeking Alpha, many of you know about it. You're all familiar with it. There is the link. I've just put in the chat. Seeking Alpha, and it's a referral. I don't even know what I'm going to get. I'm sure I get some kind of referral fee for doing that. I've no idea. I don't really care about that. What I do care is, literally, I've not even had a chance to read the terms and conditions yet. I just wanted to make sure that all of you could get this as soon as possible. So there we go. Let's get rid of all this fake nonsense. Let's get Jen on the show. Email investor relations and tell them all about the show. Click above my head for all the information down below. That video that just came out is completely and utterly out of place, and it's not right. It's completely fake. Up here for more information. In fact, I'll put the NVIDIA earnings. Join us for that. It's going to be the biggest event ever on our channel. And down here, we're going to put a playlist for NVIDIA and anything else that would be useful for you. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. All right, that will come out shortly. Let me just close that down, get rid of that stupid channel. Get rid of that. I'll leave that where it is. Do I need that again? No, I don't need that for now. Right, we've got 2 earnings tonight. I've just done our new member. Thank you, Frederick. You are very welcome. Make sure that we're all done. I'll always stop the show to take care of the members. That is the priority of what we do. Kelvin Brian, you just signed up for Discord. It's only available for YouTube members and YouTube and Discord subscribers. I will send you an email explaining that shortly. Right, where are we now? Let me read all the comments. Let me go through all the comments, make sure I didn't miss anything. So, hey, James, Mike, how you doing? Hi, Frederick, Anna. Hey up, Bahana Heads, says Vaz. Mr. Bond, how you doing? What's up with NVIDIA? Hold or sell? I'm not selling a single share of it. Absolutely not. And as you can see, we are very green today. I'm beating the market. I'm doubling the rate of the market today. What's your NVIDIA hold or sell? I am not selling it. It's at least worth $200. I'm holding it, and then it will go a dividend stock in about 5 years' time. Hi, Tim. Hi, Mike. How is your day going? Good stuff. Hello, Anna. Hi, Tim. Stephen. Bart. How are you this afternoon? Lovely to see you. Good evening from James. Stephen, Bill. Good evening. How are you this evening? Hey, Bill. Lovely to have you. Lovely to see you. Let me get through. NVIDIA, hold or sell. Like I said, I'm not selling a single share. If the fake news drops the prices back down, I'm going shopping. I missed the last shop. Boxing Kanga. Well, we don't want fake news. Hello, I'm here now. Frederick, yes, we've taken care of that. NVIDIA is still a downward channel unless it breaks 120. That is not true at all. I don't believe in that at all. Timer Tell, are you one of our members? Because that's not the sort of thing we have from our members. Information like that. Timer Tell, let me have a look. Are you one of our members? I can't see you. I'm guessing you're not one of our members, because if you were... No, you're not. No, there you go. No, that's not true. That channel, that isn't what Sensei said at the chart at all. If you're down, hold it, but options I would sell. Opinions I would sell, said Liquid Skittle. Hi, Martin. I only just started watching you. Darren Class, welcome to the show. Studio Rock's better than big media TV. Thank you very much indeed. Well, we do... hopefully you are watching on a big TV. I broadcast in 4K, Ultra HD in surround sound, and you can watch this show on a big TV. And if you join our Friday night concerts, you can have a concert as if you are there in the stadium. The sound is like that. Please watch me through a big TV if you can. Dividends, KView, and Matador. Stephen Lewandowski. Good morning, Stephen. Martin, this is fake news. Martin, this is fake news. Yes, it is. It's completely false information. Martin, stop saying, we answered that. I answered that one. Patrick McCarthy just became a member of the channel. So, Patrick, would everybody please copy and paste now? Welcome, all the Lucasades, please. Welcome, Welcome, Patrick. Patrick, what country are you from and what is your native language? I will speak to you in your native language. And where are you from? And if you're not from one of the countries' flags that we already have, we will fly your flag for you and you will represent your country. We have 63 countries. Everyone copy and paste. Welcome, Patrick. Thank you very much indeed. Patrick, I will give you, there are so many things that you get as a member. I don't have time to tell you right now as we're coming up to an earnings and a closing bell. So I will give you your how and why member video. This will tell you about all the perks that you get as a member. Please watch that. There are no ads on it. It's just designed to give you all the facts, information that you get as a member. But I will give you a few things. You now get Alpha Spread for free. Music channel on Friday, you can have a free song, and you also celebrate a birthday. You may notice behind me, the studio is always running, the cameras are always moving because it's always ready for a member's birthday celebration. I set that up every morning so a member can celebrate their birthday live in the show and get to keep the video. It's always prepared every morning for you, so please make sure that if it's your birthday, let me know. And you get the birthday card as well if you sign up for the newsletter. Join us on the Friday night concert and you will get a free song. There's the membership link. Follow me on Instagram and X, and I engage with all of my members, and the idea is to help you all grow on Instagram and X if you want to as well. There is, we don't need that actually. I don't know why I just gave you that. We're not on Rumble today. We've just not got the time. All links, there's the website, martinlucas.com, if you want your birthday card and Christmas card, and our backup newsletter email. I only email really important news, very rarely. I never use your email addresses for anything. It's a secure server. It's there as a backup for the channel. There is the extra channel, Discord, where we provide the free, we don't charge for it, free scalp training from Ed Nevius. It's available to all YouTube members and Discord subscribers, but I need you to sign up. It takes 10 minutes, and then once you've done that, there's a waiting period for security. Give me your username in the chat. Please do not accept any friend requests from anyone called Martyn Lucas. I never send them. I only accept them from you. Give me your username and I will upgrade you once you have done that. Lots and lots of perks and benefits. We have members-only live streams. Many of the non-members here will never even know. We have members-only live streams, members-only videos, lots of members-only content, all sorts of things for the members. So you won't see any of that. You won't see any of that unless you are a member. So anyway, go and check out the video, and all the rest will make sense. All right. Did we get a reply back from our member? What country he's from? Let me have a look. Is Paris Hilton flying today? I love it. Welcome, Patrick. Okay, thank you. You're welcome. MSK, great point, Martyn. Great point to Martyn. Thank you, Tim. Martyn, can you put a link to the email for NVIDIA? Martyn, can you put a link to the email for NVIDIA in Discord? Where to email to? James, no. What you do is you go on NVIDIA.com, you find investor relations, contact us. That's what you do. All right. It's the same for every company. You go on to the investor relations, contact us. That's where you get the email for every single company. Just keeping everything accurate for Martyn's sake. Yes, just wanted to clarify that. It's very important, this. MSK is a great friend of the show, and I understand what he's doing, and it's good. I always like people checking me. I like to then clarify what I'm saying all the time. MSK is a great friend of mine. We speak privately on the phone, and I appreciate him checking me. Yes, if I don't say it, a troll will grasp onto it. That's right. The magic carpet will certainly reduce the environmental impact of Paris Hilton. MSK, I concur. Hell yes, it will be. Jensen stayed for questions after an AI event in Stockholm 1 or 2 years ago. Regular people, super friendly, down to earth CEO with all that money influence. Absolutely. So hopefully Nassau will get him on the show when you've emailed him. Investor relations, please everyone do it. It's time to get this nonsense once and for all crushed by these really sad individuals making silly videos. Monsieur, do some research, just first friend. 321 says Bonkzilla. Good afternoon, Cherry. Welcome back. We've not seen you for a while. Let's stick the... thank you, MSK. That's right. Why has Huang Jensen Huang, president and CEO, been selling so many stocks? I am looking at his SEC form filing on both NVIDIA and the government site. Right, you need to understand. Let me just answer that question, Kenya Dixon. Let me use some software that I use. I'll give you the link for it right now, Alpha Spread. All my members can get a free plan, or you can get a premium plan, which makes my membership for free. Let me show you what I mean. NVDA. I'll show you the inside trading. It's very, very important for you to understand this. Okay, let me share with you what's going on with inside trading. Okay. All right. Very, very, very important, this. Let me bring up NVIDIA. Let me scroll down here and show you exactly. A lot of people are concerned about this, so I'm going to show you this. All right. Okay. So let me share with you what's going on. So as you can see here, insiders have been selling. Who's been selling? The CEO's been selling. How do we know that? We can see the insiders selling. So let me scroll there for more information. We can scroll down and we can see Jen Huang has been selling, and it's an uninformative sell. automatic sell transactions. Now, those that make the fake news, like I just showed you a moment ago, are saying things like, oh, that's it, the CEO is selling out, it's rubbish, it's all going down the toilet, we should all get rid of it, blah, 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 blah. It's in automatic selling. What is going on? It's automatic positions. He won't even know it's happening. He won't even pay attention to this. It is significant, but it is not sentiment of bad intent or the company is in imminent bankruptcy or whatever. It's important to also share with you in this visual as well. If we look at here, this is the selling that's been going on from the CEO. Over the last 12 months, we can see, let me share with you here. Over the last 12 months, we've had $1.3 billion of selling. All right, we can see who, the president, the CEO, we can see it right here, makes perfect sense. But it's not selling for intent. It's not, well, the company's now rubbish, I can take all of my money and I can get out of it. It's just at the beginning of its growth. There's so much left in NVIDIA, we haven't even started, right? So what's been happening here? In the last 0 to 3 months, we've had 988 million. Okay, it sounds a lot. And for me and you, it is a lot. But when we actually look at the size of the company and the fact we know it's automatic selling, not actual selling. What I mean by that is they have transactions set up by their accountants, CPAs to manage their personal wealth, and it just trims all the time. It's the right thing to do for them because their positions are so massive, they have to be brought into balance, okay? Let's remind ourselves of the scale of the company, and if we look at the scale of the company, it's $2.8 trillion, and we see it going to over $6 trillion. So to sell 1 billion of that is insignificant, and it's not even an actual sell. It's an automatic, unformative sell which just gets triggered automatically. So those that create fake news and make this news with AI bots and don't even bother turning up and never go live to face their audiences, but they'll do everything they can to cash in on a trend like NVIDIA, like to say it's terrible news and they're selling out and we should all get out and it's all over and NVIDIA is a rubbish business. So they can short the stock, drive it down, buy it again if that's their intent, or maybe they're not even that smart. They're just busy making silly videos with AI voiceovers. That's actually what's going on. So don't be concerned about that. I just wanted to be clear about that. Kenya Dixon, I know you're not one of my members and I don't normally focus on a non-member, but I just wanted to explain what that is, what's going on there, just so you are familiar with that. I also want to share with you, as I'm here as well, I might as well share with you the short interest as well. Now, if this was really bad and the business was going down the toilet and we should be selling the stocks and getting out of it, why has it only got 1% short interest? The reason for that is no one is really investors who understand what's going on are not shorting the stock thinking that the CEO has dumped all his positions, because he hasn't. All right, it's not a big deal, but it does make a nice clickbait for those who want to say the stock is going down the toilet and we should all sell our positions. Now, remember, in case there's any doubt whatsoever in anyone's minds, oh, Martyn Lucas is just saying this because he doesn't want to lose all his money, blah, 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 blah. I'm not going to lose all my money because I'm only in the S&P. And I'm only in the S&P, and I'll share with you on the screen. You can see there, look, there is my position. 100% of my portfolio is in the S&P on my main account and my Roth IRA. And the reason why, not only is it the right thing for me to own, but it also proves that I'm being open and honest. I'm not pumping and dumping stock to sell videos or inflate my own bags or whatever. I only own the S&P, and that's it. Okay, so really, even though the S&P is 6.6%, NVIDIA. So I own about, what, $13,000 worth of it in total. If you take out, include all of my value plus the margin, I've got 180,000, so about 13 grand. Something like that is what I own in NVIDIA. It wouldn't matter to me if NVIDIA went to zero. It wouldn't. It wouldn't. My portfolio would go down, and something would replace NVIDIA, and the S&P would go up again. It doesn't really bother me. What does bother me is when people try to manipulate and use fake, silly, cheap videos to try to create self-gain. All right, let me read some more comments. Wow, the viewers have really increased in the last couple of weeks. Florida boy survival. Yes, we're growing 1,000 subscribers a day for the last 2 days. And yes, we are MSK, all right? We actually are. I know that sounds ridiculous, but we actually are. Right, let's have a look. This is a normal Wednesday afternoon, 861 throughout the video. We've got 45,000 views in the last 48 hours. Most of that is in the last 24 hours. 45,000. We used to average about 10 to 15, sometimes 20,000. So you can see we've more than doubled there. 31,000. It just keeps rolling around like crazy. We were at 30,000 yesterday, 2 days ago. We were at 31,000 last night. And by the end of today, we'll be at 32,000 subscribers. I've never seen anything like it. I think people are realizing what this is all about. And I am actually hearing that people are actually unsubscribing from me, Kevin, as we're growing. I don't want anyone to unsubscribe from anyone. Do what you want to do. I just want to make sure that you're aware of what is actually going on. If you want to subscribe to, Meet Kevin, and you want to hear doom and gloom, then fill your boots. It makes them a lot of money, and people like to see that, and it's nice and it's funny. I check out what he's saying just so I know the false information that's being spread. I don't want anyone to unsubscribe from anyone, really. I just want you to know what is going on and why it's going on and all the rest of it. Let me answer some more questions. Because it's not a members-only mode, says Stacy, how on earth has that guy got over 60,000 subscribers? A lot of it's fake, but he's selling doom and gloom all the time. He's telling you it's going to go up 200%, then it's going to go down 200%. Why do you think Graham Stepan is always doom and gloom? Why do you think Meet Kevin is always doom and gloom? I'm not doing it. I will build my channel on being live and being honest. Martin Lucas' channel is going to be massive soon. I knew it would, and that's when I joined. I'll be a year member in 3 weeks. Positive energy. Hiya, Steve. Hiya, Florida. Hi, Mikoko TV. Martin is true to his work. My channel is still featured on his main channel. Absolutely. Absolutely. Florida boy survival. Yep, I'm here to help people. Let me go to you're talking about my homepage, are you? You're talking about my homepage? Absolutely. I will put my members on the homepage of my channel and help them all grow. Here's the homepage of my channel. This is me. As I grow, we all grow. So what have we got here? There you go. There he is. There he is. Florida boy survival. Absolutely. He's one of my silver members, and from time to time I will promote you, but you're getting members every day. You're getting subscribers every day. I do it for all my silver members. Everybody who supports me, I help 20 times more. You do one thing for me, I bring you my entire audience and I help you. I want us all to have 1 million subscribers. What the hell? Sod it. Absolutely right. So you're very, very welcome. It's my absolute pleasure. Martin, do you have to join as a silver member to get the YouTube channel? Yes, it's a silver members perk. A silver members perk, you go on the homepage of the channel right at the top. Absolutely right. Absolutely right. It's a silver member perk. Hello, just found your channel yesterday. I like how you keep it real. Thank you, Cloud. Martin is true to his word. My channel is still a featured channel on his main page. Absolutely. Absolutely. Florida Boy Survivor, are you a silver member? Yes, he is. If he's not, I'll have to delete him. All right? Yes, he is. I can't believe you're checking. You're making me think now. Florida Boy, here we go. Memberships. All right. See your members. Current level, silver. Here we go. There he is. All right. I always like to show you what I'm doing. Florida Bay Boy Survival is a silver member. Yep. Florida Boy Survival is a silver member. He upgraded 13 days ago, or he joined 13 days ago, and he's a silver member. And as long as he remains a silver member, he shall be there. All right, there you go. Thank you for James getting me to check. Like it. Is he a member? Yeah, he's a member. Welcome, Patrick. Thank you very much indeed. Welcome, Patrick. Yuri, welcome, Patrick. Thank you, members. Thank you, Lucas Aids. Let me scroll down. Scroll in. Mike, NVIDIA, hold or sell. I'm not selling a single share. Hi, it's music playing. Oh, is it? Bugger me. Thank you. Thank you very much. The extra channel, it's now fixed. Sorry about that, Zach Zate. That's the power of the family. Everyone search Charlotte May. You don't need to search for it. You don't need to do a damn thing. I'll do it. I'll do it. We got 10 minutes to go. Before I go, what we do is we never take sponsorship from corporations. I take sponsorship from members only. And to be a member of my channel and to reach 63 countries around the world, it costs you $99 a month, and you can cancel whenever you want. Right? That's what we do. We're here to help people, not for me just to get loads of money and stuff it to people. It's not what I do. My name is not Meet Kevin or Graham Stepan or anybody else. Certainly isn't that fake news for NVIDIA I just showed you. So one of our members has a business and he wants us to help him. So let's do it right now. You don't have to get married. You don't have to buy anything. You don't have to download anything. You don't have to do anything. But what we want to do is make Charlotte May Weddings the #1 wedding company in the world. And we can do that easy because we have members all around the world. And when I ask them, they'll do this right now. So all I'm asking you to do this is click on the website. There is Charlotte May Weddings in the chat. If you want this, become a sponsor member and I can do the same thing for you. I can promote anyone's business. What you've got now is this website is getting clicked on by people all around the world and will become the #1 wedding, you'll make the millions, the #1 weddings website in the world. Because no one has ever had a website being promoted to 63 countries in 14 languages and everyone's jumping in and getting involved. Well, that's what we're doing. So if you want to grow and if you want to have the same benefits as this, do it for one of our members and then we'll do it for you. Good karma goes around. Everyone, click on Charlotte May Wedding and then come straight back. You haven't got to buy, do anything. Just click on it so it ranks up around the world. And when someone searches for weddings, they're going to get recommended this one because it's ranked around the world. Thank you very much, Stacey, for mentioning it. Or is it just Stacey? I'm not sure what that means. Only you can answer, but I am holding a mid-afternoon investors. I hope everyone's going to go green today. Yes, my portfolio is getting to all-time highs again. $104,500. Remember, I started with $5,000. I've never shorted a stock. I've never done options. I never have, never will. And here we are today at 104. We've actually got $180,000 now invested, enough to take me to $1 million without buying any more shares at all. Right, now then, something is very much amiss right now. I can't be having this. I can't be having this. If we're the #1 channel in the world, which we are for NVIDIA, and we're crushing all the fake channels and all the oh, sod it. Should I just say it? No, I won't. I'm not going to swear. I'm not going to swear. There's no need for that. I've got an education. So what we're going to do now, we've got 181 watching. I want 100 likes. Come on, folks. If we get 100, YouTube will share it out. We've got an earnings coming up in a minute. I forgot to bring this up. Here we go. Here we go. Ready? Okay, let's go. Go, 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 go. 180 watching. Let's see if we can get... Where's that audio gone? Sound effects. There you go. Right, we should have 100 likes. We got 71 in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We've now got 78. Come on, guys, let's get to 100 likes. Smash the like button. Make this the recommended channel for NVIDIA, not the fake channels, bringing our stocks down, making false information, just so those people can short stocks. I don't short stocks. I don't believe in it. I know you do. That's fine, but I never will. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 78. I want 100. Come on. 87. 87. 13 more. Can we do it? We've got an earnings to do in a few minutes, so I've got to end up this show quick. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 91. If we get to 100, we'll do day trader of the day as well. We'll have a competition as well. You ready? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 100, we'll have day trader of the day and we'll play the funky music. 97. 3 more. 3 more. Day trader of the day. We'll ring the bell with the funky music and the lighting effects. Here comes the smoke. I'm that confident. I've already started pumping the smoke. In 5, 4, 3. At huge expense. 3, 2, 1. Have we got 100? Are we now suggested on YouTube? 101. Yes, we did it. Woohoo! Fantastic. We are now being recommended on YouTube. That's bloody marvelous. Thanks ever so much indeed. Right. So I promised you the day trader of the day competition. I promised you the funky lights and I promised you the smoke. That's what you're going to get right now. So here is what we're going to do. Did I get through everyone's comments? I think I did. Right, what I'm going to do now, because I'm missing some comments, I can't get to everyone's comments. We are too busy. I'm going to go members only. Members only right now, so I can make sure that I get all of my members' comments, because I am missing them because there's too many people in the show. So only members now can talk to me direct. This is what we're going to do, folks. We'll pump. See that red light just there? Just there? That means the smoke is on. Press the foot switch, smoke is off. Press the foot switch, smoke is on. We're turning up the smoke. We're about to go crazy in the studio. We're about to do day trader of the day competition. Yes, 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 yes. That's exactly what we're going to do. Are you ready? So, before we do that, we do have, right on the bell, we have 2 events this evening. We're now doing 4 earnings a day, as well as 12 hours streaming, as well as videos and shorts. I know. All on my own. I've got no editors, no thumbnail creators, no army of people doing silly stuff. Bit like Twitter. Just me that works here. All right? I can do it on my own. This is what we're going to do. We're going to do 2 earnings live at the same time. All right? Okay? This is what we're going to do. Here on the main channel, we are doing Cisco earnings here on the main channel. If you want to know about Cisco, important stock, that one. Cisco for the main channel. Here comes the smoke. I can smell it. I love the smell of the smoke. If you go to the extra channel, on the extra channel, we have Zomedica. It's a penny stock, but we like it. We like Zomedica. We like the little kitten. We like the little kitten. Yes, we do. We like the little kitten nearly as much as we like the little fellas. Oh, yes, we like the little fellas. Here are the little kittens. We're doing Zomedica tonight. Yep, we're doing Zomedica tonight. You cannot miss it. Of course, Zomedica is happening live tonight on the show. My portfolio is pumping. Those that said NVIDIA was going down today and all the rest of it because they want to sell videos and they want to short the stock. Well, guess what? Everyone is now paying no attention to you because they know you're talking absolutely out of your backside. All right, so there you go. Oh, here comes the smoke. Right, we've got 2 minutes to go. It's day trader of the day. If you stay where you are, you'll be with me. I'm worn out. I can't keep going at this pace. I've done it for 3 years. I'm getting too old for this. On the main channel, we're doing whatever we're doing. We're doing Cisco. And on the extra channel, we're doing something else. Join us where you like. It doesn't matter to me. But we're now going to do day trader of the day. Let's do it. Let's do it. Here we go. We don't care. Are you ready? Day trader of the day. For members only. Are you up? Are you down? Are you in? Are you out? Are you making money? Are you making money? You should all be making money. Everyone's making money. It's easy making money. The hard part is to keep it. Are you ready? Let's take you now to the studio and do day trader of the day. Are you up? Are you down? It's time for this. Are you ready? Of course you're ready. Let's go.
The year is 1991.
My score is... My score is up 0.85 and I'm only in the S&P, which means I'm beating the market once again by double. Everyone put your scores in. Up 0.85%. Let's see who wins today for Day Trader of the Day. Let's rock and roll. Put your scores on the screen. Let's bring up the studio lights. There you go. I'm loving it. Let's pump up the volume. It's not loud enough. It's not loud enough. Here we go. I'm loving it. Oh yeah, we're loving it, loving it, loving it. Fantastic. Okay, who wins tonight? I'm up now, 0.94. Right, let's bring all the scores on the doors. Up 0.18, up 0.45. I'm up 0.85. I'm only up 0.03, up 6.37, a good 24 hours. Damn it, Jojo S comes in, steals the crown. Up 0.05. Congratulations, Avery, down 3%. Up 0.75, up. 1 year in 1 day. I'm loving it, loving it, loving it. The winner tonight, up 6.37, is Jojo S. Ring the bell, 3, 2, 1. The bell has now gone. We are in the after hours. It's time now to do our earnings. Rock and roll, everybody. How you all doing? I'm loving it, loving it, loving it. I'm loving it like that. All right.
You should definitely join the day trader, join us, join the family. I'm very excited to be part of the family. We're going to make some money together, and Martyn is the most straight-up person I've met so far. No shit chatter, we just get straight to it.
You can have today enjoying the Martyn Lucas show. Make yourself some money and have fun with a great group of friends at the same time. Go for it.
Yeah, I'm part of the community with Martyn because it's true and it's honest. And everyone's polite, everyone's genuine. It's a great community to join. Everyone's supportive. Everyone has something knowledgeable and wise to share. And I've definitely benefited from this community.
Am blessed to have been on the Day Trader. Please subscribe, watch everything. Martyn is being really, really honest with you guys. It's a killer thing. So check him out. You can check me out at coingeek.com and gorillapool.com. It's been a pleasure.
Okay, I was sleeping one day back on August 18th, and I woke up to Martyn singing a song. He advertised that he would do birthdays. My sister's birthday was going to be on that Friday, and he obliged and made a 34-minute video of that birthday party. It was so good, I haven't left the place. I've been here ever since as the place to be. If you want to have fun, make money, enjoy yourself, join the Martyn Lucas Daytime Trader Show. And he sings a song for you. He'll do your birthdays. And have a good time with everybody. New members are needed and wanted, and away we go. We have fun. We support each other.
Oh, right. Look at Bill. Look at Bill just down there, look. Hello, Bill. Let's do your beard, Bill. There he is, just there, look. Father Christmas. He's over there as well, look. He gets everywhere, does Bill. I'm loving it. Okay, now, folks, we've really got to go. I've got to put this video out, but we've got to get now to the earnings as well. So here we go. What we're going to do now is send everybody now to the extra channel. Join me on the extra channel. Sit in the green room for 2 minutes as we get everything ready. Here is the extra channel. There is the link right there in the chat. Let me send everyone now to the extra channel automatically. Customization and redirect to the extra channel. There we are. Okay. Now, we're going to end the show right now. Send everyone to the extra channel. I'll be back in a couple of minutes' time with 2 earnings. Here on the main channel, I'm doing Cisco. On the extra channel, I'm doing Zamidica. Live, both channels at the same time, back in the morning. And of course, Friday night, it's the concert. We're raising money. Well, we're not doing that yet. We haven't got 10,000 subscribers yet, but I hope everyone is subscribed to my music channel. Get me there so I can raise money for charity. That's what it's all about. There is the music channel. Right. Join me now in the extra channel as I prepare for the earnings tonight. Can you afford to miss it? Nope. How can you afford to miss it? That's it from me. And I'll take off. I don't even know what I was going to say. I'm just going to go. I'm going to go, but I'm not going to go anywhere. I'm still here on the extra channel. Join me now. The extra channel is for investors only. For people that want to invest, it's completely free to watch and listen. However, if you want to chat with the investors and the traders, it's a 99-cent paywall because it's a members only channel. You can watch and listen, but this is the extra channel behind the scenes, but you just can't talk because 99 cents was all it took to get rid of all the bots and scammers. And now we have only investors sharing investment information and all the rest of it. Right. Join me now on the extra channel. I'll see you there and I'll be right back as soon as I can with Zamidica and Cisco. 2 earnings at the same time. I'm loving it. See you in a bit. Take care of yourselves and each other.